Good morning, students. Today, in the front-end design tool VB.NET class, we will start Unit 2. In the Unit 2, we will discuss Introduction to Visual Basic .NET IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. So, the list of topics which we will cover today. One is creating a project, how we will create a project in VB.NET IDE, types of projects we can make in .NET, exploring and coding a project, solution explorer, toolbox, properties window, output window, object browser, etc. So, uh, first of all, we will start MS Visual Studio.NET. So you will get a start page window. It will contains links to other windows also. For example, my profile. It will allows you to customize various program setting in the IDE, such as keyboard scheme, window layout, and help filter. A collection of customized preferences is called a profile. A set of predefined profiles is available. The default profile is Visual Studio Developer. Now, when you will start this Microsoft Visual Studio, you will find this type of screen where this is a start page is there. You can find get started, what is new, online community, all these things will be there. So you start screen may look slightly different depending upon the which version and the configuration you are using. So this will be the actually the VB.NET default screen which you will find, and from here you will see you can see different things like here you can see the toolbox, and here you can able to see solution explorer at the right side of the screen, and you are also able to have dynamic help. You can dynamically get the help whatever you want to required. See, from here, this is called the recent project. At this time, no recent project found, but here you will find the recent project which you have made. This is called the Solution Explorer, where you can find the different sort of the project you are running in the Solution Explorer. Dynamic help, you will get the dynamic help from this thing. This is called the toolbox. Toolbox contains the different components like text box, button, list, etc. Now, when you are click file new project, a new project will be started, and here you can find um, Visual Basic new project in the project types. There are different types of projects available, and if you are using the latest version, you will find some more options also. Here you are getting Visual Basic projects, Visual C Sharp project, Visual C++ project, setup and deployment projects, other projects, and Visual Studio solutions. So installed, these are called install.NET projects. So it will be appearing here. You can also find the types of projects. So you can make this Windows. You can make Windows applications here. Class libraries there. Windows control library. If you want to make a Windows application, you will use this. If you want to make a web application, you will use this ASP.NET web application. If you want to make some web services, then you will have to use ASP.NET web services. If you want to make some web control libraries, then you will use this. So this is the type of project you can make. Here if you choose Windows, so it's a Windows application one. Now it is actually this is the location where your project will be saved. See document and setting, and David, or whatever the location, C, whatever the location you wish, you can change it. So it will be the location, and that is the name of the project. Here it is written Windows Application 1. Of course, you can change the name of the project, whatever you wish, you can give the name of this. So this is first, the four things is one is the install .NET project. Second is the type of project you can make, name and location of the project, and the name of the project you wish to. So in the VB .NET IDE, you can also, design a form. Form designer will be there, so you can design a screen. A toolbar is there, as I have told you earlier. This is the, this toolbox, with the help of this toolbar is there. Code editor is there, where you can write in or edit your code, specify, or you can implement your code. Property or editor window is there, where you can, change design attribute of the object on a form. Solution explorer shows the projects and forms in an application. So starting a new project, we will be creating Windows applications. They will be Visual Basic projects. So it will be, you will have to save these files with the .vb extension. A document that contains references to all project items such as forms and classes, in addition to project references and compilation options. The project will be a part of the Visual Studio .NET solutions. Solutions files .sln.suo. The SLN extension is used for solution files that link one or more projects together and are also used for storing global information. Solution Explorer displays a list of projects contained in the current solution. Each project has a reference folder, assembly information.vb file which contains code to deploy applications, form1.vb file. Whenever you are creating a form, it will be, first of all, by default, it is creating form1.vb file that contains code that instantiate objects. The reference folder contains references, that is, references of memory cells. Each reference point to a namespace. A namespace contains code that defines a group of related classes. For example, system.windows.forms. Namespace contains definitions of this of the window form. This is the class used to create a form object. VB.NET, Visual Basic .NET, is one of the several languages supported by Visual Studio. Other languages supported are called C++, C#, and J+, and other also. Visual Studio is an IDE, that is integrated development environment. So IDE, it's a three-letter TLA, integrated development environment. It is a place where you can write code with built-in programmer's editor, GUI, graphical user interface, syntax checking, compiler, and so on. VB.NET integrated development environment. It is contained, one is toolbox window. A toolbox window is there where the different tools which are available in there, where contains a set of controls which make up a VB application. Windows Form Designer window, where the center part of VB provides a display area for the application, acts as a container for all the controls. Properties window. Each object in VB has a set of characteristics called the properties. This window contains the properties of the control, the object appearance, and behavior. Object box, properties list, description pane, settings box, main window. At the top of the screen contains title bar, menu bar, standard toolbar. So menu bar actually displays commands used to build VB application. Standard toolbar, quick access to commonly used menu commands. Here you can see, here in the first you will find this is the menu command toolbox. Here the form is there. This is the solution explorer is there. Here you can find the properties of the different whatever the command or component you are using. You can select that and you can find the properties of that here. Okay. So these are the here Windows application one. This is the title bar. Okay, this is the menu bar. Different toolbar is there. This is the toolbox is there. The form is there. This is the solution explorer. In the solution explorer, the project name we have made the project that is the Windows application one. A form, and in that we have created a form. So it is a form is there. Assembly info.vb that is also there. References is also there. So three things you will find here. Properties, you can set the properties of the form one, like how width, height, width, etc. You can set, and any other properties you can also set with this. Another is the form control. When we are creating a form, it is used the backdrop for other controls. Useful properties of the form include name convention, FRM something, text, the text inside the title bar of the form, back color. If you want to use back color, you can choose that color also. Background image, sometimes we will use to some image for the form that can also be done. Font, it will set font style, bold, italic, underline, whatever it is. Start position, determine where the window form object is positioned when it first appears on the screen. Size, it is also use the size of the form. Whatever the pixel size you can use, that can be used. So this is actually the introduction of the VB .NET IDE, that is the integrated development environment. When you will use this, you will find it's very easy, and quickly you will understand all the major things like this. This is called Windows application, title bar, toolbox, solution explorer, where you can design a form design part. This is the solution explorer, properties window. All things you will be easily you can understand. The next topic we will discuss VB.NET programming language. In that we will discuss what are the variables are there, how the commands are declared, what are the data types, different things we will discuss. So thank you. Here on the stop. The next class we will discuss the data types, variables, and comments, etc. Thank you.